I have lived in Toronto for about 8 years now, and winter is indeed here. This is by far the worst I've ever seen it. Look at that. It is a winter wonderland though. Look, this mound is nearly as big as me. It's nearly as tall as I am. Bloody hell. I have been shoveling snow all day. It's tiring. It's built up again. I think we've got about 6 inches of snow. It's hard to say though. Look, that's how deep it goes. Some of the mounds are about nearly as tall as my knees. They might break my kneecaps. Remember that meme? Yeah. Okay, how long have I got? About 5 seconds. Thank you for joining me. And yeah, winter wonderland. Rest in peace to the snowmen. The snowmen did not make it this winter. Alas, it's a sad, sad situation. Winter is here.